Hi and welcome to today's video looking at the differences between two of the leading project management certifications. The PMP and the CAPM, both issued by the Project Management Institute. In today's dynamic professional landscape, the quest for excellence and continuous growth is paramount. Within the sphere of project management, two certifications consistently emerge as beacons of proficiency and commitment: CAPM and PMP. Both these credentials, conferred by the globally esteemed Project Management Institute, PMI, serve as a testament to a professional's dedication to mastering the art and science of project management. As we embark on this exploration, we'll delve into the nuances of these certifications, understanding their distinct features, intrinsic value, and the strategic approach one should adopt for each, all while appreciating the broader context of lifelong learning and professional evolution. Differences between CAPM and PMP. The Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, is a foundational certification, tailored for those at the onset of their project management journey. It aims to instill the fundamental knowledge, terminology, and processes integral to effective project management. Conversely, the Project Management Professional, PMP, is an advanced certification, sculpted for seasoned project managers. It seeks to validate their comprehensive skills and expertise, encompassing the broader spectrum of project management, from initiation to culmination. The imperative of certification. In an increasingly competitive professional landscape, what sets you apart? The answer often lies in credentials like CAPM and PMP. These certifications not only amplify your professional stature but also hone your skills, ensuring alignment with global best practices. They reflect your desire to continuously develop as a professional as well as your commitment to project management as a discipline. Moreover, a certified professional invariably enjoys enhanced job prospects, commands a higher salary, and often finds themselves on a trajectory of accelerated career growth. Beyond the tangible benefits, being a part of the PMI community offers unparalleled networking opportunities, allowing professionals to forge global connections, partake in knowledge exchange, and stay abreast of the latest in project management. Prerequisites for CAPM and PMP. For the CAPM, aspirants are expected to possess a secondary degree, be it a high school diploma or an equivalent. Additionally, they should have completed 23 hours of project management education by the time they appear for the exam. The PMP, given its advanced nature, has more stringent prerequisites. Candidates with a 4-year degree need 36 months of project leadership experience and 35 hours of project management education or a CAPM certification. Those with a secondary degree require 60 months of leadership experience in addition to the educational criteria. The PMP is not designed to be an entry-level certification, and many people will undertake the CAPM as a first step in the certification journey. Assessing the level of difficulty. The CAPM, while foundational, is comprehensive. It primarily evaluates knowledge derived from the PMBOK guide. Aspirants often find that with diligent study and a structured approach, the CAPM exam becomes approachable, serving as a solid introduction to the world of project management certifications. The PMP, in contrast, is renowned for its rigor. Recognized as one of the most challenging certification exams, it demands a holistic understanding of project management. The questions are intricately crafted, often scenario-based, necessitating a blend of theoretical knowledge and its practical application. This synthesis of theory and practice, rooted in substantial real-world experience, makes the PMP a true test of a project manager's mettle. It's not just about knowing the concepts. It's about applying them effectively in diverse, often challenging, project scenarios. Strategizing for each certification. For CAPM aspirants, the journey begins with a thorough understanding of the PMBOK guide. This foundational text offers a clear roadmap of essential concepts. Following this, enrolling in a dedicated CAPM prep course can be invaluable. As the exam date approaches, regular mock tests can help consolidate knowledge and boost confidence. Engaging with peers, be it through online forums or study groups, can offer fresh perspectives and clarity on complex topics. PMP candidates, given the exam's rigor, need a more intensive approach. A deep dive into the PMBOK is non-negotiable. But beyond this, aspirants should reflect on their practical experiences, drawing parallels between real-world scenarios and theoretical knowledge. PMP-specific training programs, often offered by PMI-registered education providers, can offer structured learning and insights that transcend the PMBOK. As with the CAPM, mock exams are pivotal, helping candidates refine their strategy, manage time effectively, and identify areas that demand further attention. To wrap up, the journey to CAPM or PMP certification is undoubtedly demanding, but the rewards, both intrinsic and extrinsic, are well worth the effort. Whether you're a novice looking to solidify your foundation with the CAPM or a seasoned professional seeking to validate your expertise with the PMP, the key lies in meticulous preparation, continuous learning, and unwavering dedication. As you embark on this journey, remember that these certifications are not just about passing an exam. They're about a commitment to excellence in the realm of project management, and many of today's employers expect to see that commitment before they will make a commitment to you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.